Good morning, everyone. I'm Rica Shopea Gibenas, and I'm here to present to you my PowerPoint entitled Modeling Equality in the Household. First, what is family? In sociology, family is the basic unit of society, a societal unit made up of individuals who are related by blood, marriage, adoption, or emotional bonds, who share responsibilities, values, and a sense of belonging. The need or yung mga dapat i-eliminate sa isang household. First, chores based on gender. Hit example dito na dapat yung nanay nagluluto at yung tatay nasa labas lang nag-aayos. And yung heavy labor. Second, decision-making power. Yung tatay dapat, dito naman tatay siya yung nag-handle ng financial reports or financial decisions or major family decisions, while yung nanay is more on emotional and caregiving. Third is skill expectations. So dito, ina-expect na dapat ang babae ay marunong magluto, maglinis, at mag-alaga. Pero ang tatay dito or ang mga lalaki ay magaling sa pagre-repair o kaya mga outdoor activities. Fourth is differentiated treatment of children. Sa tradition natin, pag lalaki, kaya niya na yan and binibigyan ng freedom, while yung babae ay dapat nasa loob lang ng bahay, safe. Tapos sa babae dapat vulnerable or nurturing and polite, while dun sa lalaki, more on leader talaga. Andito naman yung mga solutions na naiisip ko para i-eliminate ang gender stereotyping or gender inequality. First is model equality. Dito naman yung should show fairness through their actions. Parents ang magtuturo kung paano ba talaga ang tama at equal lahat ng gagawin. Second, establishing equal family rules. So, dapat kung ano ang rule ng isang anak, ganun din ang rule ng isa pang anak. Dapat may curfew both sides. Or dapat sa ganito, magawa nyo na, walang lamangan, walang less. Third is teaching respect and empathy. Alam naman natin na ang respect and empathy ay basic unit na talaga siya ng attitude or dapat bare minimum na lang na tinuturo talaga kasi as human beings, regardless the gender, dapat marunong tayong makisama at maging mabait sa ibang tao. Fourth, equal division of responsibilities. Here, you should involve splitting chores fairly. If yung anak na babae is magwawalis, dapat yung lalaki din is magwawalis by this time. Kunyari, yung babae, pang Monday, magugas ng pinggan, and yung lalaking anak is Tuesday. Ganun. Nandito naman yung result if magkakaroon ng gender equality sa isang household. First, reduce gender stereotyping. Dito, mawawala na yung mga hindi na malilimit yung mga opportunities ng mga bata. Malalaman nila na ang nakaya nila regardless the gender. Kung ang lalaki kaya ito, then ang babae kaya naman yun. Ang son and daughter. Fair and harmonious home environment. Shared responsibilities prevent stress and build teamwork. Magkakaroon dito ng teamwork, like magkakaroon sila ng equal opportunities na gawin ang isang bagay na to dahil hindi nila iniisip yung gender nila. Third is balanced relationship. Household becomes more supportive, inclusive, and empowering for everyone. This parang magiging motivation ng isang bata para magpatuloy dun sa hobbies or activities na ginagawa nila. Na-encourage sila para hindi isipan ng gender nila para lang gawin ang isang bagay na to. Empathy and understanding. Family members consider each other's feelings and needs. So, yon. Third is stronger cooperation. Family members communicate and work together more effectively. So, thank you everyone for listening my video presentation. Bye-bye!